Lean manufacturing is all about minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency, and one way to achieve these goals is through the use of visual communication solutions. By using visual aids such as custom signs, labels, and large-format graphics, you can create a visual system that makes it easier for employees to understand and follow procedures, track progress, and identify areas of opportunity. Step 1. Identify opportunities for improvement. The first step is taking a closer look at your current processes and procedures and identifying areas where waste can be reduced or efficiency can be improved. This might involve analyzing data on productivity, safety incidents, or other relevant metrics to identify areas for improvement. Step 2. Design and implement visual aids. The next step is to design and implement visual aids that will help to improve processes and procedures. This might involve creating custom signs and graphics to help employees quickly and easily identify tools, equipment, and materials, or developing visual work instructions that use diagrams and pictures to clearly communicate procedures. Visual aids can also be used to track progress and identify areas where improvements can be made. Step 3. Train employees and monitor progress. The final step is to train employees on how to use the visual aids effectively and monitor progress over time. This might involve providing training on how to read and interpret visual aids, or developing guidelines and procedures for maintaining the visual communication system. Regular audits and performance tracking can also help to ensure that the visual tools are effective in improving efficiency and reducing waste. In conclusion, implementing lean manufacturing principles with visual communication solutions can be a powerful tool for improving operations and efficiency in your workplace. By identifying opportunities for improvement, designing and implementing visual aids, training employees, you can create a visual system that helps to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. So, if you're looking to improve operations and efficiency in your workplace, consider incorporating visual communication solutions into your lean manufacturing program.